Hello everyone, welcome back to Jet2 Mastery. In this video, we are going to solve grading system problem. So let us read the question carefully. You are given as an input marks of a student. Display an appropriate message based on the following rules. So these are the 5 rules. So your mark is above 95. So your grade is outstanding, which means we have to display outstanding. Then your mark is above 85, but you are less than or equal to 95. Okay, so that time your grade is fine. Your mark is above 75 and less than or equal to 85, that time your grade is fair enough. Your mark is greater than 65 and less than or equal to 75, that time your grade is more concentration. So suppose your mark is 65 and below, that time you are a below average student. Actually it is a very simple question, guys. So the thing is, user will enter the mark. We have to display the concern grade. So let's imagine, so suppose your mark is 70. So 70 is the range of 65 to 75, right? That time we have to display more concentration. Suppose your mark is 80, 84 or 82. Suppose your mark is 82. So 82 is a range of 75 to 85, right? 75 to 85. So that time our grade is fair enough. Suppose your mark is 98. 98 is greater than 95. So that time we have to display outstanding. Yeah, this is the question. Okay, without delay, let's get into the implementation. So first I have to get the mark from student or user, right? So for that, declare the scanner class. Scanner sin equal to new scanner system.in. S is a capital here. Okay, for the next line, mark is a variable, int mark equal to sen dot next int. Yes, I got mark from user. Next I am going to check if my mark is greater than 95. So what I have to display? So I have to display system dot out dot println outstanding. Next, suppose else if my mark is greater than 85, at the same time my mark is less than or equal to 95. So that time what I have to print? I have to print fine. Okay, let's copy and paste it here. That time my grade is fine. Okay, so next, else if my mark is greater than 75 and my mark is less than or equal to 85, that time what is my grade? My grade is fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, next, else if my mark is greater than 65 and my mark less than or equal to 75, that time my grade is more concentration. Okay, so finally else. Okay, in else means my mark is below 65 and 65 and below. What I have to display? I have to display you are a below average student. Below average, fine. See, so if you are taking any mark like I am taking 78. 78 is the range of, see here, it's above 75 and less than or equal to 85. So it will display fair enough. Fair enough is our grade, right? But here we have to categorize. We have to handle one thing. So let's imagine, suppose our mark is 10,000. Is there any possible to take 10,000 in one subject? Not really, right? So we have to tackle this one also. So what? My mark is greater than 95 and my mark is depends on the subject. Suppose if you are a higher secondary, in one subject you have to write an exam for 200 marks. So but as a general thing, 100 is a mark. So I am tackle less than or equal to 100, which means my mark is 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Greater than 95 and less than or equal to 100. That time I am an outstanding student. So let's run. So I'll give 99 is my mark. See, I'm an outstanding student. Next, I'm a 73 is my mark. Below average. It's really 73 greater than 65 and less than or equal to 75. That time our grade is more concentration, right? Greater than 65. Yes, 73 is greater than 65 and less than, wait, one more time, we'll run 73, yeah, it's more concentration. It's a kind of compiler issue, guys. It's worked fine now. So see, 73, it's a more concentration. Okay, suppose next my mark is 55. What is 55? 55 is a grade of below average, right? So this is what we are expecting, right? Yeah, below average, we got the expected output. That's it, guys. I'll catch up you in the next video. Bye bye.